easy way of doing the program, there is a platform that you can use. That platform is called Tunit. That is the platform that you'll get. That is called Tunit code that you can use it. You can go for the site which is called easycode.tn, and that you can choose ESP32, and then you can go and come here. Now here, when you open the program actually, or you open the site, your site will be look like this. Now, as in the normal program, we have the setup function and we have the main function, sorry, loop function. We have the setup function and we have the loop function. In the same way, we also have these two template here. Here we'll get different component that we can use for making our program. So first thing, with the Arduino board or Node MCU board, which is ESP8266 microcontroller, in that we can use is its internal LED. So we'll use the internal LED of Node MCU board, and we'll try to program it. Okay. So here you can see, and there are many options here. In that, you go to the in out option and choose the digital. In the digital, you will get integrated digital, right? So integrated digital, you can use it into the main loop, into the loop. What are you doing is, you are making the internal LED will make it high, and then we'll go to the, we'll make a delay. We are just blinking that particular LED. So for blinking it, we have to make it off also. So we'll make it delay, and we'll go to the various. In the various, you'll find out the delay in millisecond. Is a 1000 millisecond delay, means it is a delay of 1 second. You can make it, or you can convert into 500 also. Then this integrated, you just copy and paste. We'll make it low after half second, and then another half second will make it high. So I told you the loop will be go on and on running, right? Now we have designed it, we have given the logic. We doesn't have to write the program. The program you can find in the code. So there are block code and XML. Just click on the code. You can see whatever I have written here, it is in the form of program. Yes. And if you want to download that program, you can download it. Here we have the option to download it. This is the option to download it, right? With this we can download that particular program. So I'll just click it. Whatever the name you want to give, you give it, and then OK. Then this will download. So see, this is downloaded in my system. You can open this. So you can see this is open right now, and you can see the program, right? So the pin number that is used for internal LED is pin number 2. So pin number 2 here for the okay. So this pin number 2 is your integrated LED pin. Okay. Pin number 2 is also there. You can see in the board the GPIO pin 1, 2, 15, 13, 12, 14. This is GPIO 2 pin. This is GPIO 0, 4, 5, 16. So the pin that is GPIO 2 pin, we can say this also D4 pin. Okay. So we can write D4, D0 instead of 16, 15 and all those things. If I'm writing 2, it will work for this LED, which is integrated LED here, this particular part, or we can use this pin also. For both, it is 2, pin number 2. So this pin number 2, and this is the program. This is a simple program, right? So I'll just connect my Node MCU board and I'll just run this program. I'll not do any other thing. And I'll just flush that particular program into the board. Before that, I'll go and choose the board. So the board was Arduino Uno board. I have to choose the Node MCU board. So this is the Node MCU 1.0 board that we have to choose. Now after choosing the board, I have to choose the port. The USB serial port. Yes, so the port also I have chosen. Now I'll upload this particular into the Node MCU. As you can see here in the bottom, it is uploading. And you can see this is the Node MCU. So your internal LED is blinking. So this program is just test whether everything related to the board, your Arduino ID is correct or not. So for that, this is the experiment that we do at very first, that everything is going smooth or normal or not. So every half second it is blinking, right? So that is happening here according to the program. So it is also connected with the 2 also, right? So 2 is nothing but D4. So if you want to see whether this LED is also blinking or not, that also we can see. This is 2. There's a ground for that. And I'll put the ground into the ground. So as you can see. So as I told you, the LED 2 pin is also pin number 2, and integral LED or internal LED is also defined as 2. Okay, so both are blinking.